Hey, what's up guys? We are in Palenque. It's about a 4-hour drive from Santa Marta, 1 hour from Cartagena. And we drove out here and I found a guide on the street to take us around the town. This is the first free liberal African village or town in all of the Americas. So it's very historic. We kind of drove through it a little bit. It's a very colorful, beautiful town. And we're gonna have lunch prepared for us as well. Traditional lunch, fish, cocoa rice, chicken, salad, the whole thing. So yeah, just check it out.
Was up for a night out. Yeah. So you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign. So conversations became relation. No escaping. Heart is taken. I've been waiting. I've been patient. Thought you'd been down. Heard you skip down. And can't be found. Where are you now? Baby, deep down. I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I said
Levante de este palenque, el palenque que está aquí. Ah, sí, es el santo patrón, si tiene el vive fundado.
Sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home right now? Yeah, need to know that you okay. Okay, with everything I gave up for you, did it for love. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Cause you've been down, skip down,
sí hay algo. La historia en Palenque es más oral. Es decir, tienes que preguntar por lo que tú no has visto. Y cuando tú preguntas por lo que no has visto, entonces vas a conseguir la respuesta. Es como más oral que material. Así que la pregunta que tengo... Escuchen mi letra.
Sí, creo.
Y claro, ustedes vienen de todas las paredes, son firmas visitantes que vienen de todos los lugares, será nuestra firma que también lo van a hacer ustedes.
They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other good. Baby, don't fight. Hey, I was chilling with the bros who was up for a night out. Yeah, saw you in the cut with that wifey demeanor. Looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign. So conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down. And can't be found, where are you now? Baby, deep down, I know you be missing me, but you keep being a mystery. Damn. Don't know if you recall it, but last time I sang the sun won't shine till we meet again. Been waiting all these stormy nights, oh yeah, stormy night, oh yeah. They found you on my way yet again. We must be meant for each other, girl, oh yeah. Baby, don't fight it, babe. Sun don't shine when you go away. Hey, baby, won't you come home right now? Baby, won't you come home?
So we're gonna have lunch here, traditional Palenque lunch. It's already been pre-prepared for us.
Everything I gave up for you, did for love. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you'd been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery.
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for the Palenque tour. A lot of stuff I couldn't film because the GoPro camera kept overheating. I mean, it's really hot. It's probably mid 90s, and it's 12:51 now. We're heading back to Santa Marta, but it was a great tour. The guy we had only spoke Spanish, so I couldn't only understand maybe like 50-60%. But then there's another guy that kind of was near us a few times with another person, and he spoke pretty good English, so he kind of helped out with some of the translations, some of the more technical stuff in terms of like the history of Palenque. But everything was great. The food was good. People were very friendly. Obviously, people are trying to constantly like sell you different things that they make in the house, like different types of desserts and trinkets and things like that. So, you know, they're not expecting a lot. I tipped quite a bit, like a few dollars here, you know, $1 here, $1 there. They kind of help out. So overall, like for the tour, for all three of us, and for the food, it's about $70. I'm sorry, about $48. And then I tipped like $5 for him and $5 for the waitress. But yeah, not bad for a private tour for about 2 hours in total for everything, with lunch included. Definitely well worth it, and cheaper than what I saw. Like if you get a tour on like a tour app or something, where I saw some was like starting at like, you know, it's 50 per person to 100 or something like that, and that's like more so like even in a group coming from like Cartagena. But since we drove here as well, of course we didn't have to worry about any of the transportation and commute. But overall, great tour. It was really good to be around you know, our people and get a chance to kind of see how they live and their history, and it was very interesting to learn a lot. You know, even about taught us some of the common words in their Palenque language, which is something they used a long time ago, so that the Spaniards couldn't understand what they were saying, especially if they were trying to like escape, and like how they were using like different braiding techniques in women's hair as maps of how to escape. And they would like wear scarves over their head to kind of hide that, you know. So just very smart people who were just looking for a way out of, you know, bondage and slavery from the Spaniards. And like I said, it's the first free African town in all of the Americas, so that says a lot. And I definitely wanted to make sure that that I got a chance to be a part of that history and come check this out, just like we did when we went to Salvador Bahia and Brazil, which is also a great moment for us as well. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Sorry that I couldn't get everything, but yeah, definitely I'll leave the tour guide's phone number, WhatsApp number, in the comments below or in the description, and you guys can hit him up and take a tour with him. Or he said you only speak English, he has like cousins and stuff who speak English. They can do the tour for you as well. So yeah, thank you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Check you guys in the next one.